everybody. Welcome to another episode of Living with Us TV. And I am Gregory D, and this is
Anaya Myers.
Yes, and you are watching us make some firecracker crackers. Firecracker crackers. All right. You can find this recipe online, but the name of this recipe is called firecrackers. These things are good. I didn't know you do sign language too. These things are wonderful. All right. So here we go, Naya.
All right.
What you need here are the ingredients. You need the saltine, unsalted crackers. Okay. Make sure you get that. And always have some hand sanitizer on you because of COVID-19. Just make sure you stay sanitized, you guys, please. All right.
Or you just wash your hands.
You can wash your hands too because we should have been doing that way before this. All right.
20 seconds.
All right. We need some canola oil. We got some canola oil right here, and we're going to need.
This is Crisco.
It says pure canola though, so it's gonna be 1 cup of this. And it's going to be a whole thing of this. So it says it needs about 4 of these things. There's 4 of them that come in there. We need 2 tablespoons of crushed red peppers. You want to hold that up? Go ahead, Anaya. And we're going to need a half teaspoon of garlic powder.
Garlic powder?
Yes. That's for one of the recipes. This is firecracker, so it's going to be a little bit spicy. So you may want to get we can't forget the ranch seasoning.
And you need a bowl and a Ziploc bag.
Yep. All right, let's read the instructions, baby. Come on.
It says line crackers on ends like dominoes in an airtight container.
This is the container we're going to use right here, guys. It is an airtight glass. Yeah. So
that's a piece of hair.
That is disgusting. So we're going to go ahead and clean this because this was under a shelf, and we'll be right back. So now it's nice and clean. It was just the cover was a little. Go ahead, baby.
I need some spotlight.
You need some spotlight.
They said a lot. I don't know. Okay. Line crackers on ends like dominoes in an airtight container.
Okay, in an airtight container.
Container.
So open that up.
Open it.
There's a lid to that grape. It's that foil one in case you need a bigger container. There's a lid to that.
There is a lid to this. It says because we're gonna need a lot. There's a lid. Will it be an airtight container?
I mean, it's a lid.
How are we supposed to stack it up like dominoes?
Oh, stack it like this,
Like
dominoes.
After they fall.
Like when you push it and then they go.
Oh, okay.
That's all you need is a lube.
Come on.
It's an epic thing.
No, you're not gonna stand them up. They're not gonna stand up.
Oh.
She tried to stand these jokers up, bro.
Oh, I thought they said like dominoes, so I thought it was supposed to be straight.
All right, come on. I need you to do this.
Okay, I got it.
Let's do this. Let's open that all the way up like that.
Okay. Stop, mommy. Do not judge the process.
Like dominoes.
Like dominoes. All right. Let's do the next pack.
All right. We got that. All right.
Hey.
Sorry.
All right. In a small bowl, mix oil, dressing mix, peppers, and garlic powder. How
1 cup. Read the rest of it. Dressing mix. How much dressing mix do I need?
It says dressing mix. It says 1 ounce packet ranch dressing.
I said 1 ounce.
1 ounce.
I said 1 ounce
1 ounce
of ranch seasoning. Okay.
ranch seasoning.
Not the popcorn seasoning. Don't you put that back. Don't you get that.
No.
Okay. We need the actual hidden valley ranch seasoning.
Or
Okay.
you could get the regular. I'm just kidding. No, no.
Please don't confuse them, okay? All right. So we need. Oh, hope that's right. Hope that's right.
What was that?
All right, here we go.
That looks.
All right, come on, look in there. Come on, come on.
Daddy, we need some red pepper.
We need some red pepper. How much, baby?
It says.
Crushed peppers.
Ah.
Sorry. 2
2
tablespoons.
tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of red crust.
2 tablespoons. Should we do the spoon?
We need 2 tablespoons. This is a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Let's open it up that way.
This
All
way?
right. Nope, the other way.
Okay.
The one with a spoon. I'm not sure if it's heaping, but.
Daddy, this.
I hope we're doing it right because what all was we supposed to mix in the bowl? See,
1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder.
1.5 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon, not to be confused with a tablespoon. Teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Okay? And we open that up. You retarded.
Oh, I got my hair in a ponytail.
Oh, you got it, girl. You got it in that pony. All right, here we go. So, what did it say? 1 what, baby? Ah, there we go. That was a heaping. What does that say? 1.5
teaspoon.
All right.
Why do I get to do something?
Oh, you know what? You said you wanted to read.
What just happened? Okay.
This does not go on here. This goes here. All right. What else, baby?
We need.
This is exciting.
Stir until all ingredients are well mixed. Okay.
All right. Go ahead and stir it. Make sure you, keep all that off the bottom. All right. Let's see. Stirring to prevent pepper from settling down the bottom of the bowl. We don't want that. Easy.
Okay.
Easy.
I've been helping my mom with pancakes and cupcakes and muffins.
But this is something else. This is not that. All right. Continue to stir. Continue to stir. Be diligent in what you do. Stir until all ingredients are well mixed. Okay. Be careful. Be careful now. Don't hurt yourself. Spoon mixture evenly over crackers like a drizzling icing on a cake.
What?
So it's supposed to drizzle. It's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to go on your. It's supposed to go on the crackers like this. When you drizzle, okay? That's what that is, okay?
I don't know how to do this.
It said like a spoon, baby.
I didn't say that. That's too much.
It's supposed to drizzle.
But you use this.
She said use this, but
Okay.
we gotta get all the. You gotta get all the ingredients too.
Oh, my bad.
You know what I mean? Yeah, stay in your lane, Jesus. All right.
What you say?
All right. Continue to stir, prevent the
Yep.
pepper from settling on the bottom bowl. Spoon, make sure. Close lid tightly.
Drizzle.
Oh, that's.
We're doing this right now.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Let's drizzle.
Be like.
Oh, you made these before, sweets?
Who you talking to?
Huh?
Who you talking
Don't come for me on my Cooking with Gregory D and Anaya D. You have to make sure that you keep this stirred. That way, the drizzle. All right, see that? Make sure that you keep this stirred, okay?
That is a lot. Okay. Greg, be quiet.
Yeah, we got plenty for the other pot.
Daddy, you can't forget these crackers. Drizzle, drizzle. It looks so good. They look like little ants crawling up on the Jesus. I don't know.
All right, you guys. Yeah. So we're supposed to let this sit for about 25 minutes. We're gonna open it, close lid tightly, and flip the container over every 5 minutes for about 20 minutes. Lightly shake back and forth to make sure all the crackers are coated. So we drizzled it over. We started it, but it's not finished because we gotta keep on drizzling it over the entire crackers. We gotta shake it back and forth a little bit, okay? So the oil can be evenly dispersed.
Okay, I'll do the small one.
I need cue cards. I need cue.
Okay, so we're gonna wait about 5 minutes. We're gonna just stare at you.
One more
But you
clap.
said 20.
So what we're gonna do next is, as we wait for our firecrackers to get finished, is we're gonna make our oysters.
Ooh, look at
Hidden
that.
Valley oyster crackers.
Ooh,
All right.
those are so good.
We have the ranch, we have the unsalted, we have the dill weed, and we have the lemon peppers. That goes together. We're gonna need this. The ingredients is gonna be a quarter cup of vegetable oil. So get the vegetable oil out. We're gonna do vegetable oil for this one,
Veggie oil.
and we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of Hidden Valley ranch. So we have enough in this packet here.
Yeah, they come
And we're gonna need 2.5 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill. So that's what we got. This dill weed here, or 1 teaspoon of dried. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of dry, and we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pepper,
right here.
or
salty.
or garlic powder, optional. So we're probably gonna do both. And then we're gonna do a 1/16 ounce box of oyster crackers. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees.
Already done.
Got that?
Daddy, you need to hurry up.
250. In a small bowl, add the oil, the ranch seasoning, the dill, the lemon pepper, and or the garlic powder, and stir until mixed thorough. All right? All right. In a 1 gallon Glad zipper bag, add the crackers and oil mixture. Seal the bag and toss until well. So we don't need this.
That scared me.
We're gonna need that later. So but right now, in a 1 gallon, add the crackers and oil mixture.
Okay, it's mixed. Ah, my toe. Okay, it's mixed. All right, let me do this. Looks delicious.
15.7 ounces. So, the 16 ounces is actually a pound. Did y'all know that? Yes.
Don't record that part.
All right, there it is. All right, in 1 gallon Ziploc, add the cracker and the oil mixture. Seal the bag and toss well.
Oh, pour it in.
Pour it in there. Yep. Come on.
Let me scoop it up.
So give me this.
Come on. Baby, you gotta make
You gotta work.
gotta-
Ooh, you gotta. Ooh. Come on.
like this. That's how you toss it, okay?
So, ooh, looks delicious. Oh, yes.
Good. All right.
Let's put on wheat crackers.
Look that up. Now we got to bake it.
Right. Next is spread the crackers on the ungreased half sheet pan in a single layer. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden. Let cool before serve.
Ungreased half sheet. We ain't got no half sheet, y'all. This is the best we got. So we're
Can
gonna.
I taste one? Wait, Daddy, those are like.
Yeah.
This bad, the ice cream mix. I'm just kidding.
Not bad, baby.
Like we need a spot.
All right. Now we're gonna put this in the oven
Let's taste one.
for 15 to 20 minutes. Our firecrackers are complete, and let's see how they turned out, Anaya. We had our great helpers over there stirring it every 5 minutes and flipping it every 5 minutes. So thank you to those that are over there. All right. Oh, it's about to die.
Oh.
All right. So
Open that.
this is how it looks.
Don't worry about it now. It's fine.
Like this.
I'm open it.
Everybody see how this look? All right. Ready?
Yours looks
Grab
salty.
one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Try some.
Is it hot? Oh, it's hot. She don't like it hot. Sorry. If you have the crushed peppers were used, yes. Little Gray, you want to come over here and try to taste something, son?
See any big one?
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and chew it.
Ooh!
What can right in? I feel like it.
That's hot.
Daddy, tell me to try some.
I'm out.
Try some.
So, pretty much these probably going to be daddy's snacks, y'all.
Yeah.
We got the rest of the family snacks, as well as my snacks too, in that oven there. All right? It should be ready in 15 minutes. All right?
Yep.
We'll be back in 5, 4, 3, 2.
All right, y'all.
Can we stop on that?
All right. Ready? Want to taste it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's taste it.
3, 2. This is ours.
It's hot. Ooh, it's hot.
Hot.
I'm gonna blow one.
Okay.
Quiet.
Mm-hmm.
This will make a great snack during quarantine. Binge watch some shows. I recommend American Gangster. I mean,
All American mug.
All American. That was a great show. Very great show. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Hit that notification button so you know every time that we go live, all right? Thanks for tuning in.